We position our camera right in front of the box, and you can see, guys, just like that, you have a perfect picture on a black background. Hey everyone, it's Jacky here at the JCK 2025 show in Las Vegas. It's absolutely electric here. Let me show you the GemLightbox Pro Eclipse, which is our black background. So to use this is very simple. We just place this inside the box, and then our bottom piece goes on the bottom as well. Let's place our jewelry inside the machine. And on our application, we just switch to the Eclipse mode. Now, again, we position our camera right in front of the box, and you can see, guys, just like that, you have a perfect picture on a black background. We take one more 360 of this ring, and the black background really brings out the contrast and the scintillation and brilliance in your jewelry pieces, just like that. So there you go, guys. In less than 1 minute, we have a perfect video on a black background, and you're ready to start selling your jewelry. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.